Okay, do you guys hear me? Microphone is on. Okay, we're good. Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be trying out something a little bit unusual. I'm sure that you guys have already seen videos of people trying out masks like that, but today I want to try it out myself. I want to know how it feels. I want to see the results. Basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be trying out a magnetic mask, and I know that it sounds a little bit fancy and unusual, but something about the more unusual products on the market really makes me excited, and I want to try them on my face. So today I'm gonna be testing out the e.l.f. Beauty Shield recharging magnetic mask, and they say that the magnetic tool and the unique mask formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities. That sounds interesting. So this is how it looks, and on the back they also have some other things about the product, the instructions and everything. I'm not gonna read them now. They're basically like super duper easy. You leave the mask on your face for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you cover the magnetic tool in one of the magnetic covers. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about the noise. I dropped my little tiny scissors. Okay, so this is what was included in the box. Is there something else? No, nothing. Okay, so I guess that in this jar here we have the mask. Let me open it. Oh my god, yes. How do we apply that? With the scoop side of the magnetic tool, apply mask on a clean, dry face. Clean, dry face. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my face. I'm gonna use this Clinique clarifying lotion. If you have acne prone skin, I recommend you to try this out. It's really good. It's a little bit drying, but I feel like it takes all of the dirt away and just makes my skin like super clean and ready for the products that I'm using next, like creams and you know all of the good stuff. Okay, so this here is the mask. Let's go ahead and apply that. I'm gonna take the magnetic tool. I feel like I can apply this better with my fingers. I don't know if I'm applying too much. I honestly have no idea. It smells like oranges. Oh my baby hairs are getting in the way. So annoying. Come on. I feel like the surface on my forehead is just so uneven and I can't apply a nice, even layer. I'm not using face mask like really often, and that's because I guess I haven't found a really good one that I find that actually works. So I have kind of high expectations for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that for about 10 minutes on my face. I feel like I applied a little bit too much, but oh well. I kind of feel it warming up my skin a bit. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, but we'll see. Oh, that's getting warm. Okay, while we're waiting the mask to do its magic, let's read a little bit about it. The magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities, I already said that, and minimize the appearance of pores. That's nice. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth makeup-ready canvas. Alright. What I love about e.l.f. as a brand is that they see what's trending right now at the market, and usually the trending products are quite pricey, okay? And they're coming up with products similar to the trending ones but at much lower prices. And that's really cool because if you can't afford the original product that everyone is using, you can go and get the cheaper one, and that will kind of kill your curiosity. And despite the affordable prices, some of their products are really good. Hold on, let me show you something. Okay, so I don't know if you know that brand, I forgot the name. I can't remember, but they're selling some silicone face brushes and they're a little bit expensive, okay? I wanted to get one, but that's pricey. So e.l.f. sent me not that long ago their new facial brush. It looks like that. It has very nice soft bristles here, and it also vibrates. I find it just excellent. I'm using it every other day. really good. It makes my skin feel very soft and my makeup is looking better. Just amazing. And it's like, I don't know, it's like $10 or something. I can't really remember the price of it, but it's definitely not as expensive as the original one from that brand. Anyway, let me just take off my mask now. It's been 10 minutes. Oh my god. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. Hold on, that's really exciting. Okay, so I covered my magnetic applicator. How do they call this? Magnetic tool. Okay. And I'm gonna, oh my god, okay, let's do this. Oh my god. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. Let me focus for you. That's so cool. That feels, oh, that's getting even more cool. Look at that. Okay, I think that this, I need to clean it or something. Okay, let's clean it. It's not really easy to clean. Hold on. It feels so good. I can kind of feel it pulling my skin, to be honest with you, and I also don't like it when it gets like really full of product. Oh my goodness. Like the magnet is really strong. I got it on my eyebrow. Oh no. Come get out of there. I can't get rid of these small pieces, you guys. Now let's try to remove them with some makeup wipe. Okay. Well, that was so much fun, except for the last part where I had some small pieces all over my face and I couldn't remove them with the magnetic tool, but other than that it was really fun. The tool is a little bit big and I couldn't reach the more like difficult areas. So let's also try out these under eye masks again by e.l.f. I've never tried these, and you're getting a set of 3 in the box, so let's go ahead and try them out. I love under eye masks. I find them so refreshing and they just feel good. I'm not a big fan of sheet masks, but under eye masks, especially if they're gel, I enjoy them. I like them a lot. Oh no! Okay. They say that these under eye masks plump, detox and soothe the under eye area, and they recommend having these on your face from 10 to 15 minutes. I kind of like touching them and like massaging the skin under, like it feels so good. So about the magnetic mask, I like it a lot, and the fact that you don't have to rinse it with water after you're done, it's really cool. Well, you can wash your face with water if you want, but they recommend for best results, do not rinse face off with water. I don't like the feeling of washing off my face masks. Like, I hate it for some reason, because having something jelly and creamy on your face and then you go and kind of rub it with water, it doesn't feel good. I don't like that feeling. So the fact that I don't have to wash my face with water after I'm done with this mask is really cool. And the way that and the way that you remove it is also really fun. I feel my skin a lot smoother and it's a lot more glowy. This is a very nice extra step if you want to have your skin very nice and prepared for your makeup. They recommend using it once or twice a week, so I feel like if I use it more regularly, I'm gonna see better results. And they also say here that it protects your skin against the everyday environmental aggressors, so that's really cool as well. If I'm gonna keep on using that face mask, yeah, I'm gonna keep on using it. I like it. I look a little bit like Panda with this on. I'm gonna just take them off now. Ooh. Well, that's gross. Oh wow, the skin under my eyes is so much smoother. Wow. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I have a couple more masks that I've never tried, but I really want to give them a try. So let me know if you want to see my first impressions on them. Other than that, hope you guys had fun watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and visit my blog. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!